Good morning. Today I'm going to show a few basic things that are essential to work with WordPress. Two things actually. I'm going to show how to upload or attach an image in an article and how to embed a YouTube video.
So we're going to make a new post, and I want to write something about a YouTube video that I made the other day, where I speak about the high-level structure, and I want to upload a photo as well of my mind map that I made the other day. So, well, first you put in a title, mind map, and YouTube video. I will change that later. Here the English, the text, and as you may have noticed, perhaps in WordPress there's a visual editor and a text editor. The visual editor is what you see is what you get, and there when you type some you want to create a blue color, I actually don't even know how to do that. Then I think it's possible to make it blue. I should take this out. Text color, there we are. Yes, then you get the blue text. Wow. I don't like to work in the visual editor. I prefer to work in the text editor because there you see exactly what is going on. So, and then you get this is like the core code. Here you see the hexamal code for blue, and you can play around a bit. And then you change the color to red, for example. But right now I was going to show how to upload a image. So let's take out this. Add media, that's the button you have to push. And upload some files. I think I'm going to choose drag and drop. Here I have my media files in a folder, and I'm going to drag this to upload the file. There it is. And then what happens next is that the thing got out of my recording frame. There's still quite some things to improve here. Come on! And I'm supposed to be the expert here. We don't want to have this captions, nothing. We'll put that later if you want. Titles. No, just now get the photo there and nothing else. Okay, and then inside here you can put the alt in the title text. This is a mind map. That's more like it. Save draft. And let's have a little look what it looks like now. Preview post. Text and mind map. Cool. Okay, let's continue editing the post. Next thing, we want to embed a YouTube video. I already opened a tab with the video that I want to embed, and only 7 views. That's not too much, of course, so I hope by putting this out on my website I will get a bit more views on this video. And to that, here you can choose some options to share it with a link. That's always good to put inside the direct link in the text as well. And here is the embed option, and you just take the code that is that you find here, copy it and paste it into your text editor. It's important that you use the text editor all the time. Now the code for the YouTube video is there. That's it. You can save again and have a little look what it is going to be like. There's the photo of the mind map and there is the YouTube video embedded. That's it. Now of course I can tell a whole lot more things about what you can do in the WordPress. Obviously this is just a little bit of code, just leave it there, and then here you can blah blah blah. You can put any text you want and write the way you want to write your blog post. And it's important to categorize it and give it some text, some tags. This is mind map. What more? YouTube. It's about YouTube. And what more? Ooh, tutorial. Okay, this will be the text. The text that you will find, and the featured image is to put a big picture on the top. Set the featured image. Actually, what happens now in this with this template of WordPress, I think it's actually the 2015 template. What happens is that automatically the featured image keeps showing up on top of the post, so you get 2 times the picture. One time on top as the featured image, and one time inside the text. So actually I decided now that I want to have the image a little bit smaller. So to enable that, you can change the settings here, but we're just going to insert it again. That's sometimes more easy to do. And this time here you have reason to make it just a little image on one side with no link. Maybe I can put a link to the YouTube video here. That would be cool. Medium size, and yes, I'm going to put a custom URL, and there I'm going to insert the direct link to the YouTube video. And where we are, here we are. Here's the direct link to the YouTube video, and insert into the post. And now here's some more text. The YouTube link will be connected to the picture. That will be showing up nicely on the right side. Let's see what the preview looks like now. There is the image, more small, the big one on top. There's the small image, and when you click on it, you go directly to the YouTube video. Of course, I should connect it to another one, which is about the mind map, because this blog post is about 2 YouTube videos. So I'm going to change the URL so that it links automatically to the right one. This kind of things you can change now inside the code. Here's the direct YouTube link to the first video, and I change it to the other one. I keep it unpublished because I still need to write some text, but this is how you can insert the image and embed a YouTube video into your blog post.